In this video, I'm going to reveal how people are raking in thousands of dollars every month using cutting-edge AI tools and Google Trends. Yes, this is one of the fastest growing methods to make serious money online. Stick with me, because I've got a game-changing strategy that will help you scale this technique to skyrocket your earnings. Just recently, I discovered a YouTube channel called Downtown that's been crushing it by tapping into viral celebrity trends. They made a video about Ben Affleck and Jennifer Lopez, and in just 3 days, it pulled in 40,000 views. That's more than I've gotten in my entire YouTube career. And here's the kicker. With a smaller subscriber base, they're still managing to pull in over 600,000 views a month. Given that the average RPM for channels like these is between $1.25 and $5, they're easily making $800 to $2,500 a month, probably more. The formula is simple, proven, and scalable. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end, because I'll walk you through how you can replicate this success and start earning passive income with trending content today. For such a channel, you have to upload 2 videos on 2 different topics every day, because the famous channel Downtown also uploads 2 videos in a day, out of which 1 video goes viral. After uploading 2 videos, you will notice that the channel will grow automatically, and your video views will also be continuously increasing. My mission is to guide you on how to easily start a similar channel with the help of AI. In this method, Google Trends is the gold mine. Millions of people use it to verify trending topics. I use Google Trends differently. I use it to discover new trending topics. If you click on Trending Now, you'll see all kinds of current popular topics, whether it's about sports, politics, or celebrities. There's a trend for everything. Using these filters, you can select the trend location, the start date, and only show active trends. Over 200,000 people have searched for these topics in the past 24 hours alone. So there's a massive chance for your video to go viral if you create content about any of these trends. Let me show you how to do that in just one click. Let's take this trending topic as an example. You will see a breakdown of the trend, and right underneath it, you'll find popular news articles about it. For example, the trend is about the recent 2025 Social Security, and a large number of people are searching about it. Our mission is to turn these articles into YouTube videos. But before we do that, let's do a final check. Whatever topic you choose, take it and put it in the search bar. Then, instead of a web search, change it to a YouTube search. If you see a spike like this, it means your topic is getting high search volume on YouTube. For the one I chose, it's a no-brainer. It's blowing up right now. So let's jump on this trend using the invideo AI tool. It's a tool that turns any line of text into custom videos. But today we'll use it to turn popular articles into trending videos. On your invideo AI dashboard, you'll see the workflows right here. Click on Explore All and choose News Video. This powerful feature allows you to turn articles into videos in one click. Let me show you how. First, in this field, you must provide a detailed prompt about your video. This could include the duration, tone, and the overall look. What I do is go back to Google Trends and pick one of the trending articles. Then I simply copy the title and use it as the topic in my prompt. After that, you can start directing the overall look. So, I'm going to tell the bot to create a 2-minute video, starting with a strong hook to grab viewers' attention. I also want to keep it serious, informative, and fast-paced. And of course, you can get more creative and provide even more details. Now, in the next field, you need to provide the article link. So, simply head to your article, copy the link, and paste it here. After that, you can specify the background music, such as your requirements. Then comes the voiceover. You can either choose from the huge invideo AI library. After that, you can add subtitles. There are different options as well, so choose what you prefer. Once you finish customizing, hit Continue. Here you'll see the full prompt that you can edit further if you like. When you're happy with it, click Generate a Video. InVideo AI will start summarizing the article, writing the script, and editing the entire video for you.
Hey everyone, big news for all retirees out there. The 2025 Social Security Cost of Living Adjustment, or COLA, is almost official. Let's dive into what this means for you.
Now, that's a perfect start. And considering we only used a prompt to generate this video, it's mind-blowing. But this is not all. Let's make it even more engaging. As you know, YouTube has a fair use policy, which means you're allowed to use clips from other free stock video websites under certain circumstances. For example, as long as you're not just copying the content as it is. So, I went to YouTube and gathered some relevant clips that we can use to make the video more professional, instead of only using stock footage. So, after we generate the video, click on Edit. Here, you'll be able to change the script, music, and media. So, if you don't like this sentence in your script, you can easily remove it. Or if you want to add a new sentence, you can press Shift and enter to paste the new line, and the AI will adjust the video accordingly. But here is where you can make significant changes. As you can see, these are the clips used in your video. When you select one of them, you'll see the corresponding text highlighted in yellow. So if you don't like the clip selection, you can use this search bar to find new clips.
Or even better, hit the upload button to add your own media. I've uploaded the clips I got from YouTube, and now I'll replace some of the stock footage with the new ones. This is super simple to do. First, select the clip you want to replace and check the highlighted text to see what the scene is about. Then select the new related clip and click Replace. And just like that, you've replaced the old clips with the new ones. And a faster way to edit videos is by using this text box. You can request changes to the music voiceover or add subtitles, all with a simple text prompt. And when you're done, you can download the video with just one click. Let's watch the result.
Hey everyone, big news for all retirees out there. The 2025 Social Security Cost of Living Adjustment, or COLA, is almost official. Let's dive into what this means for you. Every year, the Social Security Administration uses the Consumer Price Index for urban wage earners and clerical workers, or CPIW, to calculate the COLA. This index tracks the average change in prices for goods and services consumed by urban wage earners and clerical workers. Based on the data from July and August, the estimated COLA for 2025 is around 2.5%. However, the final figure depends on the September CPIW data, which will be released.
I'm really pleased with the results, and I don't see much difference compared to other videos that went viral. The key difference is that we didn't have to spend hours making these videos, which means we can produce more content in less time. As a result, we'll have a greater chance of going viral. But if you want to boost that chance even more, here's what you can do. As you've seen inside Google Trends, you can view different trends in various locations. So if you select France, for example, you'll see the top trends there. What you might not know is that invideo AI supports many different languages. I highly recommend expanding your reach by creating videos in different languages based on trending topics in various regions. You can test invideo AI tools for free, but if you're serious about this side hustle and want access to all the advanced features, I strongly suggest opting for the paid plan.